looking for. Dodge fans, what do you think about hanging on to that top spot here tonight? Well, let's see what Blake's got for us. He's got friends here in Big Knob. Green flags are out. Ladies and gentlemen, let's find out what a brand new machine's got for us here tonight. 2011 Ford. Come on, William, put the hammer down. It's under boy. Let's see it. And he got it down there. Give it up for Ryan. Got that big bad Dodge Dually down here tonight. We're looking for big things out of you, son. Turn it loose, Ryan. Mr. Ryan Grant. Trucks from 157 through 73 to the starting line, please, and our exhibition run driver. We need our drivers to their trucks. You know your numbers. We're looking for you. Get those machines to the starting line, please, in the pit area. Alrighty, Big Knob, give it up for your hometown boy. Here comes Bobby Vargo to see what he's got for us here tonight with his 05 Ford. Alrighty, Mopar fans, here we go. Big Ford on top right now, so Mopar fans, make some noise. In this 04 GMC, driven by Mr. Isaac Griffin. GM fans in Big Knob, let's get ready to make some noise here tonight. He is going to need your help. Come on, Isaac. He's in there with his eyes on the gauges. Getting his Duramax wound up. GM fans, come on. Opportunity to hook up and see what they got. Mike Wilson, come on, Ford fans, here we go. Smoke in the air.
I put him in the water.
Got a big goalie dump coming out here for you now.
You have to text Kyle and tell him how it is. Because this guy, because my phone died and I told him I couldn't.
Whose phone can take video?
Mine. Mine's in your vehicle.